350 grams bread flour. Dig 3 holes to prepare for occupants. 5 grams instant dry yeast. 6 grams salt. 40 grams sugar. After moving in, there will be a welcome party with flour coating. Mix everything as if it were one from the beginning. 240 milliliters warm milk. The moment when we become one. Well mixed. The turn of the human kneader. If you do not see white powder and mix well. 40 grams room temperature unsalted butter. Add butter at the end and knead. Beware of sound. It can be misunderstood, so knead when you are alone. If the butter is well absorbed into the dough, toss the dough on the mat and bother for 2 minutes. Fold the dough. Fermented 2 to 3 times, 36 C-till to 40 C-tip, soak in warm water. 120 grams, 1 tomato. 15 grams onion. 130 grams, 1 chicken breast. Cut into small size. 6 grams 1 tablespoon, soy sauce. 6 grams 1 tablespoon, chili powder. 6 grams 1 tablespoon, cooking wine. 16 grams 1 tablespoon, ketchup. 16 grams 1 tablespoon, honey mustard. Mix well. Chicken sauce finished. Cooking oil. 16 grams 1 tablespoon, minced garlic. Fry the garlic slightly. Cut chicken breast. Add chopped onion. Stir fry. When the chicken is fully cooked, with chopped tomatoes, add seasoning and fry. Finish when moisture is reduced. 32 grams 2 tablespoons, mayonnaise. 16 grams 1 tablespoon, ketchup. 16 grams 1 tablespoon, honey mustard. 40 grams pickled cucumber. Add chopped pickles to the sauce. Mix well. Delicious hamburger sauce. Meanwhile, the dough fermented vigorously. Fold inward to release gas. Divide into 9 equal parts. Make it roughly round. Ferment twice. After 15 minutes, remove the gas. Then round it. Trim the shape by pinching the back. 20 centimeters, 8-inch, square mold. Sit around with some social distance. Ferment until doubled again. Already after 15 minutes. Milk. Apply milk until brown. Transfer to oven preheated to 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit. If you cook it slowly over low heat, it will become more fluffy. Bake at 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit, for 25 to 30 minutes, may vary depending on oven specifications. Melted unsalted butter. Butter adds flavor and shine. Cool for a while. I have a strong desire to climb the 9 mountains one by one. It's too good to eat on bread alone. I can't stand this. I've saved 3 mountains, I think I'll only eat them with bread. Cut the rest of the bread in half. Wait for the lid. 70 grams mozzarella cheese. Put mozzarella cheese on top of the bread. Add chicken too. Cheddar cheese plus mozzarella cheese. It doesn't matter if you just add cheddar cheese. In an oven preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit, melt cheese at 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit, for 5 to 6 minutes, may vary depending on oven specifications. Pour plenty of hamburger sauce. Spread on the inside of the lid of the bread. An attractive sauce with crispy pickles. Lid installed. Come play with an empty stomach, a landscape full of thick bread and chicken. Wow, crispy on the bottom, soft on the top, that's great teamwork. The ultimate chicken burger that makes my hands happy while I'm tearing the bread. Soft, fluffy, I'd like to lay here, but yield to the stomach.